Who's singing this song?
In excess.
I never one. Cannot lah, I never have my first kiss like yours.
Yeah. I still don't have.
I know you should kiss before. Shut up.
Okay lah, shit. Hey Jensen, your buy car.
Buy car for what? Never get my license?
This car selling for 10 ringgit, yo. You buy this car, right? You
Yeah,
free one
right.
free Mercedes. Serious?
Go lah! You don't...
Why your phone so scary, right? Change another one lah.
I didn't put this ringtone also. I never had this ringtone in my phone.
Your girlfriend call, right? Hey, you didn't pay Tenaga National.
Didn't pay also won't flicker like that, right?
How you know? Maybe they testing?
Hey, someone is no number one. Sure, sir, what?
Hello!
He's still flickering.
I'm the soul from the dead.
What's soul from the left?
I'm scared we just hang out with me.
Wait, don't hype. Wait.
Officer, don't take me. I'll go take Jensen. Take Jensen.
Still too young for that.
I'm still a virgin. Officer, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Doing this.
Jensen, you step on joystick. I'm scared, Jensen. I don't want to.
Where's the voice? Where's the voice?
I'm still a virgin.
Oh wait, where's the voice? He was only talking to us a moment ago. Is everything okay? Did you really do anything or not?
No lah. You step on the joystick, right? I heard you step on Chinese joystick, right?
Don't be so superstitious, come on.
No, I'm serious.
Was that just a joke from someone or something?
You forget about just now lah. I think it was our imagination.
Some weird imagination.
Yeah lah. Let's watch the movie again.
Hey, you lah. Xiao.
Yeah, I like the song.
Hey, that's my favorite dude.
Yeah lah. My dude's gonna kill your dude lah.
My dude has got superpower.
So what? I got 2 dudes with superpower.
He has 3 henchmen.
Hey, why the TV off suddenly?
I think it's just a black screen.
Like you set on the control lah, your face.
Ah, what's that?
What are you gonna do? You got knife
Are you ready?
Okay, I got my frying pan.
Just go now! Wait, where did you go?
Goes away.
Wait, what's up? No, it's me.
Listen,
the ghost catching the ball.
why your room so messy?
Hey, what the hell? Help me, help me. The ghost chasing me.
Go away lah, ghost.
Hey, stop already.
Wait, maybe the ghost went away.
They locked the doors. The bomb I called just now.
What is it? What is it? Call the moment.
It says that
Hey,
the ghost is
almost
afraid of
sent
happy
SMS.
ringtones. Wait. The ghost is afraid of happy ringtones. Wait, let's try.
Yeah, makes sense, huh? Just now it's scary ringtone, he come up. Happy ringtone, he go away.
Yes!
High five!
You're such a genius!
I know lah, I'm the man
That's the
lah.
way. That's the way. Come on, let's choose.
Let's choose one. Hey, that ringtone sounds happy.
Yeah, that one.
One is Wait. Oh shit, this is the call just now. Wrong, wait. Oh, change. Oh my god. Another ringtone. Shit, this is coming. Wait, another ringtone, wait. So many books on the floor. Here. Keep it. Wait, why the Bomo stupid? Promoter the law.
This is just a scary cat. This is orange, the Halloween guy. Oh my god. Action by Wiki!
Halo? Salut? Sunt eu, un haiduc și te rog, iubirea mea primește iubirea.
This is our director!
Our director! He cutted a lot of our important scenes.
Yes.
Cut!
What a good director, eh? Oh, dance time!
Thank you.
Te sun